Good morning, Pitmasters. I am not at the barn. Today I am in a whole different country. Yesterday I took a car, a train, another train, an airplane to get here. So I'm in Canada right now. And I'm taking you guys to a factory. I'm here at Napoleon Grills factory. This is Lou, and Lou is the shift manager right here, right?
Team leader of the line.
Team leader. So if you're not here, everything breaks down.
Everything breaks down.
Lou is going to show me around the plant, and hopefully you're going to let me build my own barbecue.
We are going to let you build your own barbecue today. So for now, we're going to start at the beginning of the line, which is down this way, and I will guide you down the path to station 1. And here we have the start of your barbecue. This is the cast base. It's the critical part of your barbecue. It's the beginning of your barbecue.
Awesome. Now what they told me is that if you don't have this cast aluminum base, your barbecue is actually going to be like a little bit wobbly, right? It's not going to be as sturdy. This is a good strong base that will produce a good barbecue. Lou, can you hold my camera?
I sure can.
I'm trying to do it myself, but these guys are so quick. The line is moving. I put it on there. I'm trying to help. Seconds to build a barbecue. I need some practice. Stainless steel, beautiful. That will produce a really good flame. So I'm getting actually a little bit of help right here because I'm going way too slow for the line. I'm just going to try and not to mess things up too much, but hopefully they'll let me back on the line once they get, well, the speed back up. You installed the back burner and the gas line?
Yep. Got your electrode.
So the back burner is in, the ignition of the back burner is in. This is going super fast. And with every step that goes along, they also do a quality check just to make sure every part's working, every part is on your barbecue. So in the next step of the process, we're going to put the front on with the actual knob of the gas burners. But before we can do that, we still have to install a few pieces.
So this line here goes into the sidewall.
Okay.
And then it goes over top.
Okay. So this goes in here. That's right.
Yeah.
Let's make sure I do it right. If we don't get this connection right, I'm not going to have any gas going through. This is for the back burner, right?
Yeah.
This is for the back burner. So if I don't connect this properly, I'm not going to have an operational back burner. Oh, and the line is moving again. I'm so slow. Doing this and building a barbecue, you can see me, I'm starting to sweat. It's actually hard work. And the craftsmanship, he's got to make right on my mistake. So I hope he can fix my barbecue. Are we going to be all right?
Oh, yeah, we'll be good.
So, Debbie, what are you doing?
I am going to test the barbecue.
Test the barbecue?
Woo! Now we're going to turn the lights on to red to show that they're actually on. There's your flames coming. Jet fire system. Nice and shiny.
The gas working, the lights are working, everything's fine.
Ta-da!
What's the verdict?
Good job.
Yeah! So now my lid is on, and hopefully Joe here is going to allow me to put the bolts in.
Sure can.
Yeah? Thank you very much, Joe. So now that I have the lid on my barbecue, Joe is going to fill it up with all the things that I'm going to need to be able to assemble it later on when it actually comes to my house. Wow, this is exciting. Building my own grill. Good to go. Joe says good to go, so we're good. Alright, I finished my barbecue. Here it is. We're going to send it to the Netherlands. I'm going to write my name on it, make sure they get it right. Alright, Lou, Lou, send it onto the wrapping machine and hopefully the box will arrive at my doorstep. Thank you, Lou. Thank you for helping me out on the line. You got a great team and I really appreciate you and your team making the time for me to build my own barbecue. I know I'm screwing up the timeline and everything, but thank you very much.
It's all good. You're very welcome. And on behalf of my team, we would like to make you part of the Napoleon team with your very own team t-shirt.
Wow.
Thank you
so
very
cool.
much.
Look at it. Part of the Napoleon team. How awesome. Thank you very much. Thank you for having me, man.
Thank you.
I'll be back next year for when the new model comes out. My barbecue made it from Canada to the Netherlands. I'm so excited. I want to put this thing together, so I called upon my expert engineer and just the two of us. We're gonna make this happen. And of course, the little doggy trying to eat the knife. Let's go.
Let's go.
This is the most important part of the build. We got the top on. It's a delicate part. The process has to be done with two person. I did it once by myself. Bad idea, bad idea. This is the sizzle zone that we just put on. We secured it and let's take a look. Woo, looking good. Look at how clean that is. Time to make it dirty. Now we're almost done. Time to secure this and take off the foil, and it's time to cook. Taking off the foil is one of the most satisfying parts of the build. Just that sound, that new sound of taking it off, it's just so satisfying. Look at that. And there's something so satisfying that I've built this barbecue all on my own. Well, with a little help, of course. Can you imagine making a trip to a factory of a barbecue that you love to use and then getting to build one? And here we have it, our Napoleon top of the line gas grill, the Prestige Pro 500. This thing is a beast, an absolute beauty. We got the lights, we got the internal lights, we even have a light that shines down on the ground. That is just crazy. This thing is already available in the United States and now it will be available in Europe as well. It's an absolute beauty. Super thick stainless steel grill grades. We got a high-end sizzle zone, perfect for all those high temperature sears. This thing is an absolute beauty. We even have a cutting board. Look at this. And underneath, an ice bucket for your beers. I enjoyed building this barbecue. I enjoyed putting it together. It's all been worthwhile. We burned the factory residue off the barbecue. It's completely clean now. Now we can start grilling. So Denise is gonna make me some burgers.
Best burgers in the world.
You want a burger?
Of course I want a burger.
Nice.
What kind of burgers you have?
What do you like?
We
I got
have
jalapeno and cheese. And we got-
tomato burger, onion pepper burger, jalapeno burger.
I'm gonna go for pepper and
I
onion.
want the pepper and onion as well.
I'm not gonna do cheese. Something to do with New Year's resolutions. Since I'm gonna go for the pepper onion burger, I'm gonna use some of that pepper curry sauce from Dolly. Ooh, this stuff is so good. A little bit on there. Now, a little bit of lettuce. Burger on. And now to finish it off, I'm gonna put on some barbecue sauce. This is my Nappy barbecue sauce gas station. Look at it. Your own barbecue sauce gas station. Who has that? There we go. A little bit of sauce. Now we'll put the cap on and it's time to eat. Oh, that is one tasty burger. Huh. Come on, Denise, make some more.
More! What do you want?
We need more burgers.
Molly, what do you want?
Well, it's time to finish off the video and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I want to say a special thank you to Napoleon for giving me the opportunity to visit their plant, for all of the great people that work there. Thank you so much for helping me build that barbecue. And Well, a big thank you to our patrons and our YouTube members. Hope to see you guys next time. Until then,
Eet smakelijk.
and keep on grilling. Where's my other burger?
You ate it.
Then I get another one?
Easy man.
I gotta make my own burgers here.